Sime Darby, the all-new Elantra. Congratulations to Hyundai. Let's have a round of applause.
Hello, very hot day today. Hyundai has just launched the new facelifted Elantra, which you see behind me right now. And, it's one model, the 2.0 liter executive model, and it's going to cost you 109,888 on the road without insurance. So the facelift is pretty extensive. It's actually a total reskin of the front and the back of the car. So you get new front end and new rear end with the shark fin antenna on top, and this new facelift actually is quite extensive. As you can see, the change to the rear has made it look more like a fastback design rather than just a normal 3-box sedan design. The front end also has been nicely restyled with more sensuous styling, which is also part of the name of their new design philosophy. It still keeps a lot of the middle parts intact, but everything in the front end and the rear has been redesigned by Hyundai. You also get a lot more safety features inside. That is as expected of a car in 2019 sold in Malaysia. It's locally assembled. It comes with a 2-liter engine and it delivers 152 horsepower and 192 Newton meters of torque from its engine. So it goes through the front wheels via a 6-speed automatic transmission. So anyway, yeah, it's something. It's a nice refresh by Hyundai. Quite a major facelift, not a minor one and all, where most people just do bumper changes and all. This one tends to be a bit more total in all aspects. You can see it's a bit more total. And behind me are actually 2 colors which are part of. There are going to be 20 or so each of these 2 colors, one in grey and one in blue, which are different from the normal production colors. This is locally assembled in Kulim, and which is why the price has been brought down to a nice 109,000 ringgit. So it's hot here. Inside is quite noisy. There's the white car inside and another red car, but filming outside to give you a better and clearer sound from it. In terms of driving it, I hope that I get the chance to try it out, because I did enjoy the previous Elantra. In terms of driving the previous car, it does handle very well. According to Hyundai, there is also, the car is also, it has Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Then there's the safety features like the ESC, VSC, traction control, ABS, review cam, parking guidance system, tire pressure monitoring, and also hill start control. It's pretty well equipped. It's a facelift, so the car is refreshed again for Malaysian roads. Alright, till later. It's really hot.